Well, when it comes to abused animals with nowhere else to go, one local farm is a safe haven for the forgotten.
Yeah, it's called the Tilted Tavern Animal Sanctuary. It's in Jonesboro, and they are now working one of the worst neglect cases they say they've ever seen. Ashley Sharp joins us live with their story and what they're doing to save these animals. Good morning, Ashley.
Well, Amy, Casey, good morning. Inside this barn and on this farm are about 70 animals who have all been rescued and rehabilitated after getting a bit of a rough start in life. For one goat, that start was a terrible neglect case that the Tilted Tavern is now working to reverse. We take you inside a day in the life of saving and helping these animals. At the Tilted Tavern Animal Sanctuary,
Hey, pretty girl.
second chances are second nature. A new lease on life for abused animals rescued from neglect and cruelty cases.
Come on, big boy. Come on.
Here, they all have a name.
Hey, Charles. Hey, Lexi.
They all have a story.
He is a happy pig.
And they all have a home. But the road to this farm life paradise was rocky for these animals, especially for one of their newest additions. Meet Twizzler.
The greens are our favorite.
This goat, one of the worst neglect cases that the sanctuary has seen to date.
Her wrists are kind of locked into place. They're contracted.
2 years tethered down, her hooves are injured and deformed.
We haven't seen anything this bad. 18 inches of overgrowth is pretty significant. It's severe neglect.
When it comes to rehab, it's one hoof after the other. Tilted Tavern working with Twizzler daily, hoping for a full recovery.
And she gets around.
The sanctuary hopes that she'll be just as much a success story as her friend just a pen over. Dumbledore was rescued from a dogfighting ring.
He was used to make the dogs aggressive, which is horrible. And so he came with a lot of social issues.
This pig now living a life of belly rubs and tail wags.
A sweet boy. He's come a very long way.
For these animals, farm life is sweet, and it comes with hoping that one day sanctuaries like these can spark change.
We know we can't save every single animal, and so we like them to be educational beacons to teach the public that there's a better way to treat our animals.
Of course, the rescue is always looking for volunteers and donations to make everything that they do possible, especially when treating animals like Twizzler who need all kinds of treatment, medication, and potentially surgery on their road to recovery. You can reach out to them on their Facebook page. That's the Tilted Tavern Animal Sanctuary if you'd like to get in contact or make a donation. Amy, Casey, we'll send things back to you in the studio.